Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your account is linked and two-factor authentication is active because many drops require verified accounts. Once done, open the in-game shop and event tab to see available lightning skins and their cost in tokens or credits. Note exact requirements. Then immediately prioritize which source to pursue: Battle Pass, timed event, or store sale, and collect baseline currency so you can buy or qualify the moment the skin becomes available. Now you focus on execution. Track timers and event windows and set reminders so opportunities aren't missed. You should do the highest value tasks first: daily challenges, ranked matches, and timed missions that reward tokens or fragments, because they stack fastest. Once you earn currency, convert or combine it per the skin's requirements. If crafting is needed, prioritize salvage or fragment farming routes. This steady approach ensures you reach the purchase threshold before limited offers expire. You finish by redeeming the lightning skin through the proper interface: store checkout, event reward screen, or crafting menu, and confirm the transaction completes successfully. Make sure the skin appears in your inventory and equip it to verify. If the item is missing, immediately check in-game mail and confirm your account linkage. If still absent, gather purchase receipts and screenshots, then contact support with those logs. This fast follow-up resolves most delivery issues and prevents lost purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.